Hello everyone, this is Gen 1 Red Alert coming back at you. I know it's been a while. I've been busy with homework and other things. Uh, just give you a quick little unboxing / unwrapping of whatever this is. I was working today and had the privilege of meeting up with Engineer Hoist again. Because he likes to stop in and say hello every now and then and pick up a new figure or two from the comic shop that I work at. And he graced me with this gift when I traded the couple little bots I had for him. It's been killing me to leave this thing closed up all day. So I'll take a quick look and see what is in here. This is a Christmas / birthday gift, seeing as though my birthday is very soon after Christmas. And Magic Square, the Flame Patrol, Magic Square Red Alert. That is incredible. Awesome little figure. I've been looking to try and get one myself. Take a look at the box here real quick. Superhero landing pose. Alright. Do I have something nearby? No. Just gonna have to quick tape that. The fun of opening a fresh box. There we go. Here he is out of the box. Get some cool decals, card, and his instructions. Take a look at those. I'm not going to do a review of them here and now, but I will pull him out. Take a look. This is a very nice figure. Magic Square being the guys who just put out that new Optimus Prime to rival the MP44. Close that back in. And there are his feet. Flash from the peg hole. I like the accuracy of the doors on the arms with the faux wheel up there. This is just really, really cool. Put him here. Second. And the last birthday Christmas gift he had given me a couple years ago was the oh shoot, the Legend scale one. I can't remember his name at the moment. Well, that sucks. All right. All right, guys, thank you very much. Engineer Hoist, thank you so much. I really appreciate him. He's going to go on my shelf of red alerts. Have a great evening, everyone, and hope to see you around sometime. Bye.